What if I told you that in this big bottle you can fit up to 8 16-ounce ready-to-use quick detailer? Well, this is about $20 to $25 for a ready-to-use 16-ounce, and a gallon size is $40. Well, in this video we're going to talk about my favorite products when it comes to saving money for the cost-effective, the low-budget, or the budget-friendly detailer. So let's get into it. Whether you are a new professional, a beginner detailer, or even a new car detailing enthusiast, well, in this video I'm going to give you one product for each category to save money but still have high-end results when it comes to cleaning cars. First off, the most used product when it comes to cleaning cars, well, obviously that's going to be your car shampoo. For this I choose Adam's car shampoo. Very versatile, smells really good, works great, is proven on the market, and it's very cheap. This is about $30 or $35 for a full gallon. I'll have the links for each product in the description below for you guys to look into. You can also use my coupon code Dogma. And by the way, if you're new here, click on the subscribe button if you haven't. Now, the second most important product to save money when it comes to detailing mini cars is going to be a 3D orange degreaser. That's going to be your all-purpose cleaner, your APC. You can dilute this at 1 to 10. So you're going to want to clean the wheels, the tires, the engine bay, the really dirty parts of the exterior with it. You can use this even on leather safely at 1 to 20, maybe even up to 1 to 10 if the leather is really greasy. And obviously you can clean the rest of the interior with no problem as long as you rinse the product with a wet towel. So this product is really versatile. You're gonna take care of almost half of the car with just one product, and the beauty of this product, it's $25 for a full gallon. You can dilute this at 1 to 10. So in the end, you pay $25 for this, you end up with 11 gallons of ready-to-use cleaner. That's awesome. This can't be beat, all right? The all-purpose cleaner, if you're a professional, if you're starting up, if you want to save money long run. I'm not talking about maintenance here. I'm not talking about boutique products. This product works all the time. It's proven. I've used this for many, many years. This is super safe on the cars. Just make sure that if you are working outside and the sun is beating on the door panel, you might not want to spray your product directly on the plastic, all right? So make sure that when you use this, you use on a cool surface, all right? My third product when it comes to saving money for car detailing, well, you gotta look into the RinseLess washes. This is gonna be DIY detail, RinseLess Wash. Another product that you can dilute, that you can use in a versatile way. This can clean interiors. You can maintain interiors with this. Let's say you have a maintenance client. You can just need this to wipe off every plastic, every piece of the interior. And that's gonna be your main product to wash the outside as well. 256 to 1 dilution. So you can download an application on your phone. That's gonna be much easier to understand the dilution rate. But still, if you're a new detailer, you don't have to be afraid of product dilution. So if we're talking 10 to 1, that's gonna be 10 parts water and 1 part concentrate. So 10 parts of this for a small part of that. If you wanna save money when it comes to chemicals, well, you're gonna have to dilute your product. Next up, let's talk quick detailer or final touch product. Well, you're gonna need one when it comes to detailing to do the final touches. So the one that I like to use a lot is Extreme Solution Topper. This is a very well-known product in the industry. This product has been relabeled under a very different name. This is $40 for a full gallon of ready-to-use. So 8 16-ounce bottle just like this one for $40. This cannot be beat, and it's gonna take some time to go through that. So that's gonna last you quite a bit of time. If you always reach for ready-to-use products such as this one, you're gonna pay $2 to $3, maybe even $4 to $5 just for the sprayer. You're gonna pay another $2 to $3, maybe $4 for the plastic bottle. So in the end, the liquid in your bottle costs more than the packaging itself. If we exclude the R&D and all the cost to develop a good quick detailer. So this is another great choice when it comes to saving money. It's gonna add gloss, shine, remove smudges, fingerprints. It's gonna add hydrophobics to the paint. So if you ever heard about PNS Bead Maker, well, this is in the same category of product. All right? I wanna show you guys a paint prep that I've used quite a lot in the past. I've used many, many gallons of this stuff. This is the cheapest paint prep that I could find that works really great. In my experience, this works for most coatings out there. So if you want to use a paint prep before applying a ceramic coating and you don't know which one to get, there's paint preps around $100, 80 bucks a gallon. So if you're looking for a paint prep that doesn't break the bank, that works every time, and that is proven, in my opinion, you can get the Optimum paint prep. This is about 30 to 35 bucks for a full gallon. This is ready to use, but that's gonna last you a long time. So then you can use this product before applying ceramic coatings, maybe before applying sealant, or just prepping paint in general, all right? So if you are just starting out, you may not need this right now, but eventually you're gonna wanna look into the paint preps when it comes to your details. Now let's talk polishing and compounds. If you're a new detailer and you're still unsure which one to get, well, I would recommend that you get the 3D one. Super versatile, works every time. Maybe not the best of the best product, but for the price, it cannot be beat. This is 30 bucks for 16 ounce, give or take. Works really good, is proven, it's been on the market for many, many years. You can find this online, so I'll have this link down below for you guys. But again, you use the right pad, you can do pretty much every single thing that you need for your 1 steps, even for your 2 steps. I have not seen that good of a product for the price, guys. Next up, I'm gonna recommend a glass cleaner. I don't always use a glass cleaner. Sometimes I'll use a RinseLess, but it's important that you have something in your arsenal to tackle glasses. Those are really important, especially for your customer that are not detailing enthusiasts. If they see smudges in the glass, well, that's gonna be a turn off, all right? So this one is, again, another reputable product that is proven over the years. Very, very, very cheap. This is about $15 for 4 cans like this. Another product that you cannot beat the price, works really great, but you could also use your RinseLess Wash solution when it comes to cleaning glass. So like I said, at the end of your detail, you wanna double check your glass. So for this, invisible glass from Stoner Car Care works good and is the cheapest that I've seen. Keep in mind, if you wanna dive more into the dilution, there's glass cleaner that you can dilute, but you wanna make sure that if you buy those, you use the right water. The tap water doesn't really work well with the concentrate when it comes to glass cleaning, so that's why I tend to avoid those. Next up, my friends, if you're a new detailer, still you're gonna need some buckets, right? 2 to 3 buckets maybe. So you don't have to reach for a super expensive kit of bucket. This is from the paint store. This is about 4 to 5 bucks for a 5-gallon bucket. The 5-gallon is the industry standard. So you can go to your O'Reilly's, you can go to Home Depot. If you're Canada, you can go to Canadian Tire. So far we have everything when it comes to wheels, tires, paint, engine bay, and for the interior we have 2 different options, the APC, the RinseLess Wash. We have the glass covered, we have the leather covered. Well, you don't need a specific product for each task. You want to have as little product as possible. This is why I recommend a product that can do different tasks. So let's talk a little bit about microfibers. So you don't want to use the cheapest microfiber out there from Walmart, or there's really thin, cheap microfiber that you're gonna have to throw away after 1 wash. I'm a firm believer in high quality microfibers, something probably made from South Korea. This wash mitt lasts a very, very long time and does not break the bank. This is about 9 to 10 bucks. I'll have the link down below for you guys to look into. This is, again, from South Korea, 9 to 10 bucks. You can buy 45 of those and have some backup. Another good option is the chenille mitt or the Noodle wash mitt. Works great also. Tends to be a little flimsy when you have a lot of water in this, so I tend to prefer the microfiber one, but I use both all the times. Next up, a general paint microfiber that I like to use. I've been vouching for those for many years. That's the 365 Edgeless from the Rag Company. Very high quality, super soft, lasts a very long time, and there's no edge around it. So I like to keep those for the paint, remove polish, remove sealant, maybe buff off your glass, buff off your paint, anything on the exterior, that's gonna work great. And there's a few color offering for this. So you could pick up the gray one, maybe for the wheels, the blue one for the paint, and I think there's a yellow one. You could use that one for a specific task, maybe a paint prep or anything that you'd like. So when it comes to the dirty jobs and the interior of the car, I always recommend something like the Kirkland Towels. Those are under 20 bucks for 30 to 35 microfiber towels. When those get too nasty, you can just throw them away, but keep in mind, those don't last as long as the one that I showed before. After a few wash, they're gonna start to wrinkle like this. You're gonna have to throw them away at some point, but they still offer great value, all right? And if you're ready to dive into machine polishing, you're gonna need some pads. The one that I always recommend are Lake Country pads. You don't wanna cheap out when it comes to pads. And there's only a few pad manufacturers out there, Lake Country being one of the main ones. Lake Country makes pads for most brands out there, so this is a reputable brand, very high quality. They're worth the money, so there's some tools and products that you don't want to cheap out, guys. When it comes to tools, you get what you pay for, in my opinion. And for the interior of the car, you're probably gonna want to look for a vacuum. That's why I always recommend the Rigid 5 HP. That's the one without the wheels. I think this one is discontinued, but there's a version with the wheels. They are very stout. They last many years. I think I had mine for almost 10 years now. Still works like a champ. If you take care of the filter, you change your bag regularly. And with that, you'll want to get the detailing kit, which is a high quality hose. I think this is about 10 feet. You also get the crevice tool and other simple tools with that. So I'll have the link down below for you guys to check out. But this is under 200 bucks and you're gonna have the vacuum for almost all your detailing career. You don't need to go above that unless you do super high volume. So that's gonna be super portable. You can put that in your trunk. You can put that in any car for that matter. It can even fit in your cabinet. This is why I love this one so much. And now if you wanna know my ultimate best award product list for 2024, you'll want to check out this video right here. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.